Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro with us, and I'll show you how to fix calling issues on your device step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any update. So let's dive right in.